What's going on, guys? Billy here with billyshultzmusic, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Higher by DJ Khaled and Nipsey Hussle. Before we jump into the video, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and make sure you click the little notification bell next to it, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm giving away a free, brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar-related prizes and accessories, so stick around to the end of the video. I'll get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, so for this song you're starting out in standard tuning and you will have a capo on the 2nd fret. You're going to be using a few different chords for this song. This is a very almost like soulful kind of feeling song. So you're going to have, you know, a lot of really kind of different variations of different chords. I'll show you how to play all of them and I'll show you the rhythms. This might be a little bit trickier for you beginners, but as always, just keep practicing. You'll get it down in no time. Most of these chords you'll be able to find in the free ebook in the description below. The other ones I will have the chord diagrams in the description as well, so you can get the hang of it. So you're going to start out with the intro of the song, which is also the outro. So the intro is simply a C chord, which is 0, 3, 2, 0, 1, 0, and it's just a single strum. Your second chord is going to be a B flat major. That's X 1 3 3 3 X. You're holding down the 1st fret on the A string with your index finger, and then you're barring the next 3 strings, your D, G, and B, with your ring finger. If you can't do that, you can just do your ring finger on the 3rd fret of your D string and your pinky finger on the 3rd fret of your G string. But try and get all 3 of those strings barred, because you have the 3rd of the chord that's on the B, and that kind of makes the chord sound more full. Next chord is going to be an A minor for a single strum. That's 0, 0, 2, 2, 1, 0. And then back to the B flat major. And again, those are all single strums, looks like this. And in the beginning and the intro, that's only played 1 time through. Now the chorus and the first verse of the song is going to be a few different chords. Your first one is going to be this variation of a C chord. It's 3, 3, 2, 0, 0, 0. I got my middle finger on the low E on the 3rd fret. Ring finger on the 3rd fret of the A string, and then index finger on the 2nd fret of the D string. Next chord is going to be 5, 5, 3, 0, 0, 0. That's ring finger on the low E on your 5th fret, pinky finger on the 5th fret of the A string, and then index finger on the 3rd fret of the D string. Next you're going to an E minor, 0, 2, 2, 0, 0, 0. Then you're going to an F major, that's 1, 3, 3, 2, 1, 1. Then you're going to an F major, that's 1, 3, 3, 2, 1, 1. Then finally a G major, which is 3, 2, 0, 0, 0, 3. Now the rhythm for this song is going to be 2 counts of 4, and what you're doing is the first count of 4, you're changing through each chord on the down strum, which will be on the number, so you'll be 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you'll stay on that F chord for the next count of 4 until you get to the final 4, and that's when you switch to your G really quickly before starting back over. So I'll show you what that looks like. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 2, 3, 4. And you can use whatever strumming pattern feels comfortable there. I'm essentially just doing down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up throughout all the picking, throughout all the strumming. Down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, 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 up, 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 down. down, up. Now the second verse of the song starts at 1:30. That's going to be only 2 chords for that entire verse. I want to say it lasts until 2:04 in the song is when the next chorus starts. All you're doing for that entire verse is you're alternating between your E minor chord, which is 0 2 2 0 0 0, and then an A minor, the 0 0 2 2 1 0. You start on that E minor, and they're both just gonna you're gonna play them for 8 counts each, just alternating back and forth. E minor, A minor, E minor, A minor. Looks like this. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Down down up 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 down down. Now at 2:04 you go back to the chorus. That plays the same way through. The outro happens right after that last chorus, and again it's just C for 1 strum, B flat major for 1 strum, A minor for 1 strum, B flat major for 1 strum, and it plays through one more time as it fades out. And that's it. Once the intro fades out, that's the end of the song. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories. All you got to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, like this video, and then leave a comment down below with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now the way it's going to work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is going to win a guitar accessories kit that comes with a capo, guitar strap, guitar picks. Everything that you need as a beginner, intermediate, or advanced player will be in that kit. The second place winner is going to win a free merch bundle from the channel, and then when the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you guys to win that free brand new acoustic guitar. So again, all that you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below with the song that you guys want me to teach you on guitar. Again, I can't thank you guys enough. Your support has been incredible, and I can't explain how much it really means to me, so thank you guys so much for all the support. I really enjoy helping you guys learn these songs that you want to play on the guitar. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those in the comment section below. I will have the rules to the giveaway in the description below, along with the free ebook that will always still be there. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Always free. It'll always be in the description, along with any tabs that might be for the video. So again, if you need anything, have any questions, my personal email address is in the description below, or leave your questions in the comment section. We'll see you guys in the next video.